Characterization of John Lennon in Nowhere Boy.
Introduction.
The internal of John Lennon. John is a dynamic and round person because he has so many problems in the start and the middle of the movie with his mothers, and goes through a change where he's able to accept that Aunt Mimi probably is his real mother. He's also a round character because when we watch the movie, we feel like he's a real person with real life problems, which is also why we get so interested in his goals, success, failures, etc.
Development of John. John develops both external and internally. In the start of the movie, we see that John has a close relationship with his uncle, and Mimi is just an extra. He doesn't know where he's going in life, but after his mother re-enters his life, we see that music starts to give John some passion and direction in life, and that it's something he wants to pursue. In the end of the movie, we see how the restoration of the two sisters' relationship affects John in a positive way. After Julie's death, we see that Mimi and John's relationship has grown to the level that John and his uncle had, which is confirmed when Mimi needs to sign a paper for him to go to Hamburg, where she replies, "What do I sign, parent or guardian?" And John replies, "Both."
The conflict. The conflict in John Lennon is that he doesn't know where he's going in his life. As in the start of the movie, he's told by his headmaster he's going nowhere. But throughout the movie, we see how Julia helps spark the interest in music and starts to give him a direction in life. The other conflict in the movie, John doesn't take part in, but he's the reason for, that is between his mother's Julia, his biological mother, and Mimi, his guardian.
The external of John Lennon. In the movie, we don't see a lot about the external of John. But in the film, when we first see John, he's a very formal kid. But throughout the movie, he goes more and more away from it. He's creating his own identity and switching to a sort of hippie combined with modern style. He's 15 years old in the movie, and he's tall and looks very fit.
The conclusion. The conclusion we've made is that we conclude that the events of family life we see throughout the movie has shaped the person we in the history know as John Lennon. It also shows a different aspect of family life that we have not been introduced to yet in the text we've read in English.